Hi guys, another little repair project to have a look at. I have several of these because I used to have to recharge an awful lot of AA nickel metal hydride batteries with one of the cameras I had. It used to eat them rapidly. So I had about 4 packs in my camera bag every time I went out. So yeah, got quite a few of these. This one has stopped working. If I plug the power in, what should happen is we should get a red light come on when I put one of these in here. Should get a red light here. It's not happening at all. It has been intermittent for a while. I will just check. We've got 250 volts or 240 volts coming out of here. So yeah, 240 volts mains. So the lead is okay, and we're getting to there okay. Once it gets past there, nothing's happening. Unplug that again for now. It's got those star drive, what you want to call them. 2016 I've had this one. So 5 years, nearly. I'm pretty sure there'll be a couple more hidden under this label. Doesn't want to come up. Feels like there's something just there. I don't think that's going to come apart. Yeah, I reckon there's a couple more buried under the label. Can't see it there. It felt like there was something underneath. I can't believe that's the only screw holding it together. Maybe it was. Right, they weren't where I thought they were, but there was 2 more screws. I have to get my proper screwdriver out. I can't remember where I bought these. No, not Poundland, Pound World maybe. That one looks suspiciously like it's got a hole in it. Let's zoom in on that. Yeah. So I think we found it before we go any further. Whatever that was, looks like it's overheated at some time. and popped. Oh, right. Oh, we're not going to be doing much with this then. It's vaguely possible I might be able to guess what that is. But obviously, being as it's burnt through right where the number would have been. I don't know, can we make out a number there at all? So I would guess that's the voltage. Oh, I was going to say voltage regulator. I'm just guessing there. Let's zoom out a bit so you can see more of what I'm looking at. Right, that's better. Okay, so power comes in. Big Clive would explain exactly what all these bits do. Capacitor, a couple of diodes there, a couple of diodes there, diode there, electrolytic capacitors there and there and there. Those blue things, you do see them referred to as thermal fuses. And then going out to the actual batteries, got 3 transistors, 3 LEDs, another diode there. Yeah. So one would guess that drops you 240 down to what would we want for charging a 1.5 volt battery? Something like 2 volts or something. Controller chip there. But I think that's the important bit. Being as it's got a hole in it. I wonder what happened there. Doesn't look happy though, does it? Alright, so am I going to bother trying to repair it? Probably not. Pure Guesswork says that's a voltage regulator of some sort, but I'm just talking out of my, yeah. That's a surprising amount of circuitry there, really. Right, well there you go. That's what's inside. I'm not going any further. Although, if I could identify that chip, it might be worth trying to replace it. Now I've turned this case over, you can see the black mark where that chip burnt out. So I'll put it back together for now, but it serves no purpose at the moment. It is dead. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.